Bitcoin has pumped. It's broken out. Is this the beginning of a bull run? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I hope you're doing well today. I am 5x5 as always. Man, let's just get onto the charts right away. We're going to show you. So I was looking for, breakdown. Didn't happen. And we've broken out. So we have to accept what's happening here. But keep in mind, Bitcoin fake you out. We've seen this a lot lately. If we zoom out and you can see as Bitcoin, oh yeah, it's pumping heavy, and then it continues to pump, and nope, sorry, goodbye. Thank you for coming out, and you're out. Again here, right? We go sideways for a while, we pump, and then we dump, and then we pump again, and then dump again. So yeah, lots of fake outs occur. Just even on the daily time frame, you can see lots of fake outs. It's just not that easy to say, okay, yep, it's gonna pump all the way up to the new highs. This is the support area, especially when you can see that there's lots of evidence that this thing has broken. It's broken an uptrend, and the only way for it to get back to that uptrend is to break above the $32,000 mark for us to say, yeah, I'm bullish here. It's going higher for sure. For sure. That's the only way for us to know for sure. Currently on the 13 EMA, you see that the 13 EMA, things are looking a little bit bullish on the daily, of course, right? Because we've now moved above the 13 EMA. Whenever below it, we're bearish, and above it, it's bullish. And so, yeah, you could say, well, that's something, right? On the daily, right? Bitcoin is above the 13 EMA, but that doesn't guarantee you that, Bitcoin will continue without breaking down, as you can see here. So let's go back to our other chart. Going back to the 4-hour, we have to accept that, yeah, that's true. This is clearly broken out, because we've got candle bodies above this green line, which is the 590. We have green candle body outside the upper trend, and so there's a lot of evidence here saying, hey, this is going higher. so you have to accept what the market is telling you, what the price action is telling you based on the charts. Yeah, that's that. I did have a short trade as I entered in coming into this, and yeah, I'm stopped out. And we have to see what Bitcoin's going to do from here. If you want to trade this going higher, because that's what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to start looking for some long trades at the shorter time frame. It is a risky bet because, Bitcoin loves to fake you out, but we have to go with what all the indications tell us, right? And we have to go with that direction, and that's that. We can't let our bias or our fears tell us how to trade. Okay, I'm going over to Ethereum. Things are a little bit different. Ethereum's still only knocking on a door. It's higher trend line, and you can see if we go out, let's zoom out. It was inside its downward trend line, and it kept trying to break out and didn't, trying to break out and didn't. And now we're at the top of this downward trend line, and it still hasn't broken out clearly on this downward trend. We've pumped heavily on the 4-hour. However, we are not clear out of the woods yet. Now, of course, the EMA ribbons are crossing over. This is a positive sign. So you can see that we crossed over, and we've been in a downward trend since. So can this mean once this thing crosses on the 4-hour, does this mean that we're going to continue to see pump? A continuation of Ethereum, but how far can it go? Because you can see this was a crossover, and it only went for a certain while and then dumped again. Let's just see how far that will go. We're going to have to look for something on the lower time frames to really give us an indication if Ethereum wants to continue higher. Oh yeah, there we go. There it is. And there it is. if we could draw it out, some sort of pattern to indicate that we're going higher. And yeah, there it is. What is that, people? If you can see it, if you can't see it, let me just go down to a lower time frame. It's a little bit clearer now. So this is a bull flag. After a big pump, prices start to slide down. This is called a bull flag. So we have clear indication that Ethereum wants to continue pumping. So we have to continue. We have to trade with that indication here that Ethereum will continue going up. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to go with longs, look for longs both on Ethereum and on Bitcoin, and make sure that we set our appropriate stops and move trade accordingly. Okay. Thank you all for watching today's episodes. No news for today other than I could have went over quite a few things like Garland House getting cleared of all charges with the XRP. That's funny. I have XRP socks, but damn. But anyways, we could talk about that on another day. I hope you enjoyed today's episodes. I will be doing a video tomorrow. It'll be published tomorrow with me and Maurizio. Make sure you check that out, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Cheers.